So you mentioned there that, you associated size with, with strength and power. What do you think makes a good man? What makes a great man, a powerful man?
Well, nowadays I see more of a hybrid. I don't see one rep maxes as being as beneficial for hypertrophy. I understand the difference now after studying the science and experiencing it myself through trial and error. So, I don't think there's any one thing that defines a man in terms of his athleticism, because everybody's different, and that's why training needs to be different for everybody, whether it's powerlifting, bodybuilding, whether it's any competitive sport, football, basketball, anything, strongman, CrossFit, pro MMA fighters. They all train differently, and so I've learned over the years as I've worked with these athletes that you have to customize the program for the goal that you're pursuing.